1500-watt electric skillet provides 12 by 15-inch nonstick cooking surface. Temperature control dial with indicator light adjusts from warm to 450 degrees Fahrenheit. Glass cover includes stainless steel rim and handle. Side handles ensure safe transport. Housed in brushed stainless steel. Dishwasher safe. Instruction recipe book with 30 recipes. Product built to North American electrical standards. BPA free. The brushed stainless steel Cuisinart Electric Skillet is one of the most versatile countertop cooking appliances on the market and a valuable addition to any kitchen. A temperature probe adjusts from warm to 450 degrees Fahrenheit and can be removed to make the skillet dishwasher safe. The nonstick cooking surface is ideal for low-fat or no-fat cooking and is big enough for family orders of pancakes or a fajita with friends. Top reviews from the United States. Essential appliance has it all. I recently purchased this skillet to replace an old cheapy I'd had since college. Having since become accustomed to quality, I research every purchase before making a decision, and never regret spending a bit more to get what we want. I also considered a zojirushi, but decided it was too small for an all-purpose skillet. I still may purchase that one too though. Based on the reviews and my experience with Cuisinart, I decided to order when Amazon had a little price drop. It arrived quickly and in perfect condition. This is a large skillet, but I solve my storage issue simply, I don't. It is a beautiful oval stainless steel with curved glass top that looks lovely on display in a modern kitchen. I find that having it on the counter has made this my most used appliance. Everything from eggs and bacon or pancakes for a weekend breakfast, to quesadillas or hot sandwiches for lunch, to a 2 to 3 course dinner for a small family, or a big serving of meat, veggies, rice or pasta for a large gathering. This skillet is perfect. It heats quickly and evenly, so it is even a good choice for 1 or 2 grilled cheese sandwiches rather than pulling out a pan for the stove, yet there is plenty of room for cooking to feed a group. I love that I can see the cooking without removing the lid since it is glass, and that it is vented. A lot of glass lids are not, to let steam escape. The non-stick works flawlessly, and is great for low-fat healthy meals. Cleanup is a breeze. Warm feature works nicely to keep food at a nice temp once it is done. What a fantastic wedding gift this would make. I can't comment yet on the longevity, but so far I give it 5 stars.